Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Oh, so how am I gonna do this right here? Oh, I know that whenever I'm given a question with numbers mixed with signs like these, I have to know it's an order of operation. So that's an order of operation question, right? Oh, okay. So I don't have to just do it. I have to remember PEMDAS. So let me just write down my PEMDAS. And I know PEMDAS, the P is parentheses, the E is the exponent, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, S is what? Subtraction. Okay. So now, back to the question. PEMDAS should help me know the one that I have to do first. Should I add first? Should I do parentheses? Okay. So I have addition, right? So let me just circle the A right here. I see parentheses, so let me circle the P right here. I see division, so let me circle the D. So now that should tell me which one to do first. So looking at the PEMDAS, the one circled first is P. So that means I have to do the parentheses first. But wait a second. There's nothing that I can do inside the parentheses, right? But I still have to find a way to get rid of it. And what I want to be looking at is I have a positive and a negative sign right here. And I learned that whenever you have two signs between two numbers, you have to know the rules and change it to one sign. And the rule is positive, negative should be negative. Okay. So these two signs should be a negative. And everything else should come down. 6 and then 12. And now my divided by 3. So I'm done with the parentheses, right? Right now there's no parentheses. According to PEMDAS, what is next? Division. So I have to divide right here, right? So negative 12 divided by 3 is what? That is negative 4. And now I'm just going to bring down my 6 right here. Now that I have only one sign, I'm almost done. Because now 6 minus 4 is what? It's 2. Okay. So I always have to use PEMDAS. Okay. Now let's see how I'm going to do that one here also. Let me see how I'm going to do this one. Alright, again, I know whenever I have numbers mixed with signs like these, plus, minus, division, and all that, again, I have to use PEMDAS. Okay. And from this question, I see a plus or an addition and subtraction. So I'm going to circle my addition, subtraction. According to PEMDAS, which one am I supposed to do first? Addition. Alright, so that means I'm supposed to do the addition right here first. And negative 3 plus 9 is 6. And then I just bring everything else down. I bring down my minus sign. And then I'm just going to bring down my 4 right here. And then 6 minus 4 is what? Is 2. Oh, so I got 2. 2 2s right here. Oh, that's cool. But again, yeah, I have to just remember that whenever I'm doing these kind of questions, I have to use PEMDAS. Okay, I got this. Alright, this wasn't bad. I got this.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.